Hello everyone, welcome back new brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix WeChat login problem if you want to log in WeChat app but face try again later problem. So how to fix? First of all, go back your home screen and open your mobile setting, and from here click on Wi-Fi and make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection and turn off Wi-Fi toggle at least the 30 seconds. You have turned it on, and after that go back. If you use mobile data, then turn on aeroplane mode at least the 30 seconds. You have turned it off, and after that check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back here home screen and open here again setting, and from here you search for this, scroll down and click on apps management, app settings, and from here you search for this WeChat app, click on WeChat app and click on permission. What you need to do, allow all permissions, location and content and other locations, allow all location, and after that check whether problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and click on storage and cache and click on clear storage and clear cache, and after a few minutes you have again installed, and after that check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the last method. Go back here home screen and open your Play Store and App Store, and from here search for this WeChat app, click on WeChat app and click on this and make sure that update your WeChat app. After update your WeChat app, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I am helping more. Thanks for watching.